Hi there, I'm Shubhashish, and I'm a beginner in coding. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to embed your favorite fonts to your website. So here, I'm gonna use Google Fonts to change the looks of this simple looking website. To guide us through a demonstration of this, we have Mezuhara.
Hello everyone, thanks for having me. There are many ways to change the font style of your website, but today, I'm going to focus on teaching you how to embed custom Google Fonts to your CSS. Google Fonts have a lot of unique styles that you can use for free. So if we head over to fonts.google.com, then you can see that they've got a whole bunch of font families that you can choose from. There's a large choice of font families that you can pick through, so you can choose whether if you want just serif fonts to look through or sans serif. But in my case, I already know what it is that I want. I want the font called Merriweather. So let's go ahead and click on it, and then you can take a look at what it looks like. And you can also see how your sentence would look like if you decide to change the text. Now, while we're here, we're going to go and find the regular 400-point size font, and then we're going to go ahead and click plus to select the style and add it to our list of selections. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add a few more different fonts before I show you how we're going to incorporate this. So the other one that I'm going to pick up is a handwriting font. Actually, it's called Sacramento. And this I'm going to use as the font for my H1. So a very stylish sort of font where we don't really need people to read it that clearly. So let's go ahead and add that too. So we've got now two selected. And the last thing that I want is my main heading font, and that is going to be a sans serif. And one that I'm quite partial to is the Montserrat. So I'm going to go ahead and add that as well. So now I've got 3 font families selected, and I can embed it into my website as easily as copying this link and pasting that at the top of my index.html. Just gonna paste that link there inside the head tag. And this specifies a location where if user don't have these fonts already installed or cached on their system, then the browser will take them to this location and grab those fonts for them. Now, next what I'm going to do is copy the CSS codes of font family and paste it into styles.css. So the one that I want for my body is Merriweather font, and I'm going to place that in here. Now, for my H1, I'm going to use the Sacramento. And for my H1 and also H3s, I'm going to use the Montserrat. Let's hit save, take ourselves back over to our website, hit refresh, and voila. Our text is now beautifully styled using the fonts that we chose from Google Fonts. So feel free to have a mess around with the different fonts that you might like or you might want to incorporate into your website and then simply add them to your selection. Include the link in your index.html and start using them in your CSS like so.
Thanks Mezuhara. So if you have any questions, please comment below. And do like, share, and subscribe our channel Prometheus Codes for more guidance.